How to pay with Klarna on SHEIN. Let's get started. Launch your SHEIN app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now head towards the item that you want to purchase. From here, you can easily select any of the item, or also you can search for the specific item. At the very top, you'll see the search box. Once you have selected the item, add the item to the cart. Select the details of the item, color and the size. Once you are done selecting the items, head over to the cart section. Click on the cart icon given at the top right corner. Once you're in the cart section, you're gonna find the list of the items that you have added to cart for the purchase. Now click on checkout. You'll be directed to other confirmation page. Then select your shipping method. Then scrolling down, you'll find the section of payment method. Once you're in the payment method section, you're gonna find an option. Click on the option Buy Now, Pay Later. Then select the option Klarna. Once you have selected it, click on Continue. If you have coupon code or gift card, you can apply it. Now check all the details and click on Continue. Now go ahead and verify your phone number and continue with the process to pay with Klarna. So this is how you can easily pay with Klarna on SHEIN. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.